TYart Art Storage Houston. TYart offers climate-controlled and secure art storage in our warehouses in central Houston. Our storage is monitored by video surveillance and our warehouse staff. We have specially designed storage racks that are built for storing 2D art and sculpture. We will pack and protect any work stored in inventory. We can wrap 2D works with soft packing materials and slip cases. Our crate shop can build travel frames for large ornate works, slat crates for sculpture, or full plywood crates, if needed. We also have space for large outdoor sculptures. All work stored here is entered into our inventory management system. To track where items are stored and to send clients detailed inventory lists of what they have in inventory. We can also receive larger shipments from art shuttles and other freight companies, if needed. If you have a large shipment, we can receive it at our dock and deliver to your residence when you are ready. Storage rates are calculated by square footage. Email us today if you would like more information about our rates, facilities, and picture hanging service in Houston, Texas.